What if the next car gadget you buy could save you hundreds of dollars, keep you safer on the road, or make driving feel like a luxury experience? So make sure you stay until the end. Let's get started. Number 1. If your car feels sluggish or burns more fuel than it should, dirty injectors might be the hidden problem. This AUTOOL ultrasonic fuel injector cleaner not only tests your fuel injectors, but also deep cleans them using ultrasonic technology. It helps restore engine performance and improve fuel efficiency without expensive mechanic bills. Compatible with most gasoline cars and motorcycles, it's a dream tool for DIY enthusiasts. Instead of replacing injectors, you can often bring them back to life. Number 2. Flat tire? Breakdown at night? These bright LED road flares make sure other drivers see you from a safe distance. Unlike traditional flares, there's no fire, smoke, or dangerous chemicals involved. They're waterproof, magnetic, and can attach directly to your vehicle for maximum visibility. With multiple flashing modes, they're perfect for roadside emergencies, boating, camping, or severe weather situations. Every driver should keep a set in the trunk. You'll be glad you have them when you need them most. Number 3. Washing your car doesn't have to mean dragging out a giant pressure washer. This compact 12-volt electric pressure washer connects easily and delivers impressive cleaning power for cars, bikes, patios, and garden tools. The long PVC hose gives you plenty of reach, while the lightweight design makes it easy to carry anywhere. It's perfect for road trips, camping, or quick driveway cleanups. Whether you're removing mud, dust, or winter grime, this little gadget gets the job done fast. Number 4. Anyone who's worked under the hood knows how frustrating tight spaces can be. That's where these double offset reversible ratcheting wrenches shine. The unique angled design reaches bolts and nuts that ordinary wrenches can't. The ratcheting mechanism speeds up repairs and saves your knuckles from unnecessary abuse. Built with heavy-duty chrome plating, they're designed to handle years of hard work. If you enjoy DIY car maintenance, this is one tool set you'll never regret owning. Number 5. Want your car to stand out every time you open the door? These wireless LED door sills light up automatically with customizable logos or text. Featuring 7 colors and multiple dynamic lighting modes, they instantly add a premium luxury feel. Installation is surprisingly simple thanks to the magnetic auto-sensing design. No complicated wiring needed. They fit nearly every vehicle model and recharge easily. It's one of those affordable upgrades that makes your car look far more expensive. Number 6. Summer driving can be brutal, especially when your seats feel like they've been sitting in an oven. This ventilated seat cushion uses 8 turbo fans to circulate air and keep you cool on even the hottest days. With 3 adjustable speed settings, you can customize the airflow to your comfort level. The breathable design fits most cars, SUVs, and trucks with ease. Long road trips become far more enjoyable when you're not sweating through your shirt. Number 7. Nothing ruins your morning faster than a dead battery. The FOXWELL BT100 Pro lets you check battery health, charging status, and cranking performance in just seconds. It works with cars, trucks, motorcycles, boats, and RVs, making it incredibly versatile. The easy-to-read digital display gives you professional-level diagnostics without the shop fees. Spot weak batteries before they leave you stranded on the side of the road. It's a small investment that can save you a lot of frustration. Number 8. Electrical problems are some of the hardest issues to diagnose in any vehicle, but this PowerScan tester makes the job much easier. It can trace shorts, check voltage, test continuity, and even activate components directly. The 20-foot extension cord gives you the freedom to work around the entire vehicle. Designed for both professionals and home mechanics, it supports most 12 and 24-volt systems. If you've ever spent hours chasing an electrical fault, you'll appreciate what this tool can do. Number 9. Scraping ice off your windshield on a freezing morning is nobody's idea of fun. This heavy-duty windshield cover protects your glass from snow, frost, ice, and even falling leaves. Simply place it over your windshield at night and remove it in seconds the next morning. Anti-theft straps help keep it secure during windy conditions. It fits most cars, SUVs, and trucks, making it a practical winter essential. Sometimes the simplest gadgets make the biggest difference. Number 10. Keeping moving parts properly lubricated is essential for extending the life of your equipment and vehicles. This heavy-duty grease gun delivers up to 7,000 psi of pressure for smooth and efficient application. The flexible hose and locking coupler make it easy to reach difficult fittings without leaks or mess. Whether you're maintaining trailers, tractors, trucks, or garage equipment, this kit is built for serious work. It's rugged, reliable, and designed to last for years. Number 11. Crumbs, pet hair, dust, and dirt somehow always find their way into your car. This handheld 12-volt vacuum plugs directly into your vehicle and packs enough power to tackle everyday messes. The included attachments help you clean tight corners, seats, floor mats, and air vents with ease. The extra-long power cord reaches every part of the cabin without hassle. Compact enough to store in your trunk, it's always ready when you need a quick cleanup. A clean car has never been this easy. Number 12. Want your car to shine like it just rolled out of showroom? This cordless orbital polisher makes waxing, polishing, and scratch removal incredibly simple. It comes with 2 rechargeable batteries and multiple attachments for different detailing jobs. The adjustable speed settings let you work safely on paint, headlights, and other surfaces. The lightweight design reduces fatigue during longer detailing sessions. If you love keeping your ride spotless, this gadget belongs in your garage. Number 13. You hope you'll never need it, but in a real emergency, this small tool could save a life. It combines a hardened glass breaker, a razor-sharp seatbelt cutter, and a built-in flashlight in one compact keychain-sized device. If you're trapped after an accident or submerged in water, every second matters. Keeping one within reach can provide peace of mind for you and your family. It's inexpensive, lightweight, and one of the smartest safety gadgets you can carry. Number 14. Weak phone mounts that fall off the dashboard can be incredibly frustrating. This upgraded magnetic holder uses an ultra-powerful suction cup and strong magnetic system to keep your phone locked in place. It supports MagSafe devices while also working with virtually any smartphone. The 360-degree adjustable design lets you find the perfect viewing angle for navigation or hands-free calls. Whether you're commuting or road tripping, this mount keeps your phone secure no matter how rough the road gets. Number 15. And finally, here's a gadget that feels like something straight out of the future. This cordless fuel transfer pump works with popular power tool batteries and makes moving gasoline or diesel fast, clean, and effortless. The automatic shutoff feature helps prevent spills, while the leak-proof design keeps things safe and tidy. It's perfect for filling generators, lawn equipment, boats, trucks, or emergency fuel storage. Which of these amazing car gadgets would you actually use first? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more incredible Amazon finds every week.